This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so last session I was showing you all how to start working on the sales transaction process where we could see how to create an inquiry, and moving forward we'll see how to create a quotation now. So VA21. Now give your sales organization, that is GRAS, the distribution channel what we maintain, GF, and the division denim, and click on the drop down quotation. And if I just click on enter, I can create a quotation directly, give the customer ID, give the material, give the quantity. It is direct, like how we made like inquiry. But I can create with reference to inquiry, because a quotation can be created with reference to inquiry. A customer who came for inquiry now is asking for a quotation. Simple, right? So, with reference. So, you can create a quotation directly, you can create a quotation with reference to inquiry. So, here I extract the inquiry number what we made in the previous session. Defaultly, the function SP and sales organization will come. And here you have many options. If I click on the drop down, you can see. Please make sure E option is selected, because most effectively it extracts the document IDs. If it is maintained with other option, move it to E. Sales documents by customer. That is customer, partner function, and sales organization is most preferred. Continue. Sometimes even that also may not respond. Okay. Sometimes even that also may not respond. In that case, what we should do? Go back to inquiry, open in the change mode. Okay, fine. So it got responded. You can see all the details here. This is the partner, that is the customer ID, function sold to party, created in this sales organization, at this office, at this, what he says, this is the employee, that is sales group, this is the GF, that is the distribution channel where, and for this product line, using the document type GRAI on 29th, this is the user, wallet, lifetime wallet, and this is the transaction reference number, and the transaction group inquiry as one. So all basic details you will get over here. Double click on the line anywhere. System will pick the number. Now continue, say copy. Done. Now it copied all the information from inquiry to quotation successfully. Now I come to sales here. Everything remains same. The category changes first point, because quotation is all about AGN, item category. And what information was mandatory maintained for inquiry, this is all extracted here. But apart from the information what you maintained in inquiry, do we need anything extra? Obviously, yes. Quotation is the next level document. So click on edit and incompletion login. So when you click on, remember it should show only this. System should show only this shipping point and receiving point message. These are not relevant. They will not come. Why here it is coming? Because somehow the Grasim Company code got corrupted. I checked it. It is showing dual company code. We made only one, but same name it is showing twice. So it is very rare. I'm trying to fix it up. Due to that reason, it is not reading the plant what you maintain in enterprise structure. Sorry, what we maintain in material master data. So you get to see these errors if the plant data is missing. But our plant is well maintained in material master data. So ignore them. You should get only this error. Shipping point, receiving point. So this only one error why you will get, because we have not yet activated the shipping point or receiving point, which we will be seeing in the coming sessions. Other than shipping point slash receiving point error, if you are getting anything else, either it's a mistake done by you, either it's a mistake of the server. Okay, so when you are practicing, you get only this. For time being, ignore. In the coming sessions, we will see how to work on initiating the shipping point and receiving point settings. Then you get to see the document as complete. All right, fine. Now I will save it. When I click on save, it still would like to save or edit the incomplete document. If I say edit, it will again show the shipping point missing. So ignore and save it for timing because we are not delivering anything. All right, fine. Now Grasim quotation so and so number has been saved. Now next what you will see, we'll see the creation of order now. We'll see the creation of order. That is VA01, GRA3, and this is the sales area. Continue. Now, if I say just continue, it's direct creation of the order. You give the sold party, give the material quantity, like how we made inquiry. We can create with reference to quotation also. Now, a quick question. Can I create an order with reference to just now made quotation? Yes or no? ఇప్పుడే మనం క్రియేట్ చేసిన కొటేషన్ డిఫరెన్స్ ఆర్డర్ క్రియేట్ చేయొచ్చా? Can I create an order now with reference to just now made quotation? Anybody? Yes or no?
No,
No. Why no?
just now we create the quotation, so finalize and then we can place the order.
Sorry. Come back again.
We send the quotation now,
Okay.
so we after the finalization we send the orders.
It is finalized. We have created quotation and it got saved also. We got the transaction reference number also. That means it is finalized. Now my question is, can I create an order with reference to just now made quotation reference number? Yes or no? Okay. Don't strain yourself. I'll guide you. See, your answer is right, but your logic is not matching your answer. So here, if I click on create with quotation, this is a quotation number 200000420. Finalization, approval, leave it aside. My question is with reference to this made quotation transaction, can I create an order? It got finalized, it got approved, everything is done now. So create or not? Let's see what system says. If I say copy, it will not allow. What it is saying? The reference is incomplete, cannot be copied. Your answer should be yes, sir. We can create with reference to quotation and order, but since the quotation was saved with incomplete information, it cannot be referred. This should be the answer. Okay. I'm not expecting a correct answer from you as you're learning. Just I want to highlight why we cannot copy. Inquiry. Previous session we made inquiry. It was saved with document complete option. So we could copy the content to quotation. But quotation we saved incompletely. So it cannot be copied. So remember, every time when you are working on the sales transaction process, when you got to take the reference of previous document to current document, the information should be extracted. Information will be extracted only if it got saved correctly, completely. So how to fix up this? Don't worry. In the coming days, when we work on the shipping process, when everything get fixed up, everything you will be seeing inquiry to quotation, quotation to order, order to delivery, delivery to billing, complete cycle you'll be seeing. We are in the process of step by step now. Okay, leave it for time being. You want to create an order directly, just enter, give the sold party ID, give the material, give the quantity, enter. Okay, no, this is not our, sorry. Let me GRA1. Given the wrong customer ID. Enter. See, there are open quotations it is saying. Okay, let me come back again. I'm redoing it, kindly wait. So I given the sales document, material and all. When I say enter, see, there are open quotation. Got you? So what system is doing? System is reading in the database. It found for the same customer a quotation valid. All right. So there are open quotation. If I say list, it will show this quotation we have created on so and so date, valid for lifetime, because I have not given the end date of quotation. So it is lifetime valid. So if I say copy, definitely it will not copy because it was incompletely saved. So how this message is coming? Because when we was working on the sales document customizing, I made the quotation message check at item level. I put a check mark over there. That's the reason you're getting a message here. So everything what we made, it is responding. See, item category TAN. Since this is an order, and I click on edit incompletion log, these remain same because they need to be get fixed up. So again, I say only this you should get. They are not relevant. Okay, done. For example, for other batch, I'm doing with Titan, TIT3, the order, TITS, the sales organization, TF, then TW. I say enter, TIT, say TITAN, Let's say edit incompletion log. See, only this you should get. Okay, why we was getting an extra of plant and scheduling errors and all? Because if I go to structure navigation of enterprise structure, what we made, find GRASIM enter. See, it's showing twice. We made only one. See, GRAI is only our company code, but somehow it got duplicated in the database. So it is very rare it happens such way. But if you go to the enterprise structure, GRAI is only one. At the time when we save, sometime it may get saved dually. It's very rare. So this should be shown as one. That's the reason it was considering as a dual layout, but it is layout as one. For example, Titan, it like this it should come. For example, Panasonic, okay, like this it should come. This see PAN2, somebody's it is PA9. This is my made. So if it is showing with different namings, then fine. Somebody also made we can understand, but same name is repeated twice. So that is a kind of corrupted kind of. I'll get it fixed up and I'm working on it because it's a company code level. If anything gone, the entire structure will get corrupted. That's the reason it should be done very carefully. Ah, sir, what happened if I get the same? Just ignore that and start customizing again new. That's the only logic. Even if things will not work for me also, I'll also again reconfigure everything. There is no other go. Sir, during the live project, will it happen? There, every activity before saving, lot many times cross checking will happen. If anything happened, the basis administrator will fix it up or a BAPR will step in and fix it up. But here, we don't have such huge resource setup. The admin guy will be there who maintain the server, but his knowledge is limited. Okay, so understand where it gone wrong and why we are unable to see only shipping point error. So don't worry on that. First focus on the transaction. You people will not get it. When you are working from your side, you will get only shipping point missing. If you are getting anything extra, then we should look into that. Either it's your made mistake or it is system related. Fine. So you all understood how to work on inquiry, how to work on quotation, how to work on order, etc. Now moving forward, today you all will understand how to work on contracts. When I say contracts, quantity contract, value general contract, value material contract, master contract, these all we made, right? So VA41 is the T code which allows you to create a contract. First of all, so here give your sales organization GRAS EF 2G drop down. It shows all the contracts what you made. Master contract, quantity contract, value general, value material. Service contract we cannot do, as I said when we was customizing, because we don't have the backup of the layout related in the database. Not only in this server, none of the servers available. We don't have the screen sequence layout related to service contract. Only for understanding purpose, what fields makes an identity I shown you. But there is no much difference between the value material contract and service contract execution. This is product related, that is service related. When you get to see this execution, you'll understand that also. Fine. Today we'll see how to work on quantity contract. What is the purpose of quantity contract? Quantity contract is all about a contract undersigned between two parties with just and agreed terms and conditions. A contract undersigned between two parties with just and agreed terms and conditions. All right. What does it mean? Now, understand one logic here. Say we're working Grasim and my customer, who is the purchase manager of Shopper Stop, he is placing an order with Grasim. Sorry, he is signing a contract with Grasim for some 100 pieces of some particular model of Grasim clothing, denim. So he don't want all 100 at a time. He's just signing a contract. He will buy 100 for with a duration of 1 year. So within the duration of 1 year, he will come with reference to the contract, and how much ever he want, he will place an order, will release. Right? Now we are going to sign a contract for 100 quantity, valid for 1 year. As how the customer want, he will take the reference of this and create an order, and how much he want, we will release. After we release, when we come back to the contract, it should show the released quantity, and next time when we create a new order, it should show left out quantity. సో 100 ప్రోడక్ట్స్ కి కాంట్రాక్ట్ క్రియేట్ చేస్తున్నాం 1 year వ్యాలిడిటీ తోటి ఆర్డర్ క్రియేట్ చేసి వాడికి ఎప్పుడెప్పుడు ఎంత కావాలో అప్పుడు రిలీజ్ చేస్తాము. రిలీజ్ చేసిన తర్వాత కాంట్రాక్ట్ వెళ్ళి చూస్తే ఎంత ఆర్డర్ అయిందో అంత రిలీజ్ అయి చూపించాలా. నెక్స్ట్ టైం మళ్ళీ ఆర్డర్ క్రియేట్ చేస్తే లెఫ్ట్ అవుట్ క్వాంటిటీ కాపీ చేయాలి. राइट. So what I mean to say, 100 प्रोडक्ट का क्वांटिटी बना 100 प्रोडक्ट का क्वांटिटी कॉन्ट्रैक्ट बना रहे, वैलिड जो है उसका 1 साल का मोहलत लेके ऑर्डर बनाने से जो भी कस्टमर ऑर्डर प्लेस कर रहा वो एक्सेप्ट कर लेना, और कॉन्ट्रैक्ट को रीओपन करने से जितने भी एक्सेप्ट आप कर लिए ऑर्डर्स के जरिए वो रिलीज बतलाना, और नेक्स्ट ऑर्डर जब बनाए सो लेफ्ट आउट क्वांटिटी को कॉपी करना है. So these are the focusable points which we need to see as an output. So first, I'm creating the contract. So give the customer ID, give the material. Now here it is asking for target quantity. If you might have seen during inquiry, during quotation, during order, it was asking for ordered quantity. Here target quantity. I say 100. Enter. Oh, this is not our customer. Just a minute. Enter. Now see, every contract is like a legal bond document. See, when you're signing a contract, definitely it should be for some timeline, right? So I say valid from today to 30th of April 25. 1 year duration. Enter. 100 pieces. Yes, purchase manager of Shopper Stop All India Grasim denim product for retail sales, and the item category KMN. Okay, if I just scroll aside, can you see your ordered quantity? How much? 0. I'm in the process of creating the contract. We have not made anything released. So as per the price for 100, this is the price. Okay, 2,28,105. Okay, edit incompletion log. PO number plant. Okay. Hmm, here comes a problem. PO number I got to give here. I give here. Okay, enter. But edit incompletion log, if I go, it is giving the plant error because of the dual company code what we have seen. It got tampered. Okay, I can select, and if I say complete, it will take me to the plant, but it says missing data. But where the plant is maintainable? Plant is maintainable in material, but we had well maintained over there. So if I go to MM02, if you are getting the errors what I shown, what data if got mixed up, you will get those errors, plant scheduling all related. If the plant is mixed in enterprise structure, you will get that error. So where it got to be fixed up, but in my case I maintain. See here I maintain, but it is not reading. Okay, now it is saying it is not exist. Sometimes it says it's not exist. If I click on the drop down, but it is showing here, but it is not taking. See now the error gone. Okay, so sometime it is responding, sometime it is not. Let's see. It got fixed up now anyway. Now VA41. Let me come out of the screen. VA41. Enter. PO number is some reference number. That is Grasim purchase manager is coming to buy because of his internal intent number that is internally raised within the company, the intent number. Give some number randomly. So edit in completion log. See, it got fixed up. I have not done nothing. It was not reading the plant. I just re click on the drop down and refixed it up. So some issues will be like this, where everything you made correctly, but it may not respond. I'll save it. So now the plan got fixed up. Let's see quotation VA21. Just for your information, I'm doing again quotation because in the beginning it was not accepting, but now the issue got fixed up. Let's say edit incompletion log. See, it is showing only shipping point. That's what I said. The company code got duplicated. So I think admin got fixed up just now. So it was allowing to. Or system may be refreshed and it got. You should get only this as error. Okay. Now it is not giving you plan, scheduling all. It was not giving like it was how it was given initially. All right. So sometimes even though you fix the issue, it takes some time to refresh and accept it. I would say, I mean, system getting accepted it kind of because day before yesterday after our session, I was trying to fix it up and I have done enough what you say refreshing and enough checking and enough uh, uh, corrections. It was not responding. I left it, but now it got fixed up. Maybe admin got or maybe my made corrections got responded now. All right. So that's about your issue fixing clarity. Now let me come back to the quantity contract, what we was making. VA42, I think I have not saved it. Let me check. Yeah. Just now we made the quantity contract and I saved it. right? Now, if I scroll aside, ordered quantity 0. So what we have done, we just click on VA41. We given the contract type and the sales area, and we are given the sold to party year and the material, and we are given PO number, that is Ravi as a purchase manager of Shopper Stop in his company. The floor manager is raised some request. With reference to that request, he is coming to Grasim to buy. That request number is an purchase order number. With reference to this number, Ravi is coming to buy or contract signing to with the. I mean, Ravi is coming to sign a contract with the Grasim. Okay. So edit incompletion log, the document should be complete. If the contract is saved incompletely, you cannot release it through order. గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి, రిఫరెన్స్ డాక్యుమెంట్ ఇన్కంప్లీట్ అయితే దాన్ని నెక్స్ట్ లెవెల్ రిఫరెన్స్ చేయలేము. याद रख लीजिए, अगर रेफरेंस डॉक्यूमेंट इनकम्प्लीट होगा तो उसको फर्दर रेफर नहीं कर सकते. जैसे कि इंक्वायरी कंप्लीट बनाया, कोटेशन को रेफर कर पाए, कोटेशन इनकम्प्लीट था, ऑर्डर को कॉपी नहीं कर पाए. सो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट वी हैव सेव्ड completely, right? Done. So this is a contract reference number 4000437. Refresh. Now VA01. Remember one point. Here GRA3, the order type and my sales area, fine, I've taken. Now I want to release the contract. So create with reference. Defaultly the cursor will be in quotation, move it to contract. So drop down here. Continue. So this is the customer ID, sold party function, GRAS, and these are all the details, and this is a contract reference number. And see one point here. And see here, see valid from 1st of May 2024 to 30th of April 2025. We have given the validity and created on so and so date with reference to this PO number. Document GRA7. These are all details. Transaction group. Yes, it is 4 since it's a contract. Double click on the line. Now I say copy. Now remember one point. If the copy of sales documents is not done properly, system cannot copy the information from Qt to OR. That means if you might have not copied properly the QC, I mean to say quantity contract to order. When you was customizing the sales document types, if the copy controls you might have not responded correctly. That means, is this entry also relevant for copy controls? When you get that message, I say always you have to say yes. Then only it extract the key fields in transport object properly. If they was not export properly while customizing quantity contract or order, here you cannot copy. Simply system will throw a message. Copying from GRA7 to GRA3 not supported, you'll get this error. If you get this error, you have not done copy properly. So be careful when you're customizing sales documents. Sorry, if I get this error, how? Every issue can be solvable, but try to avoid making a mistake. I'll show you the solution in coming days. If we get this error, how to solve it manually also we can do. That's a topic we'll see. I'll show you practically by showing error in future coming sessions. So please be very careful when you're customizing the sales documents. Okay. Now let me go. Since I made everything correctly, it copied the information from contract to order. Total 100 quantities copied. So do you accept total 100 quantity at a time? If total 100 quantity to be order, why the contract? Directly you can create an order itself, right? I say it is for 15 products. The price get adjusted 34,385 according to 15 products. So I am accepting here the order for 15 products out of 100. Edit incompletion log, only this error. Okay, fine. Ignore this for time being. So order I am accepting with 15 quantity. Save it. Now what is the output if I go back to the contract VA42, enter. This is the contract number. Yes, continue. Continue. Now this 100, this target quantity 100 will remain as it is because this is the main identity. If I scroll aside, this ordered quantity will become 15. Earlier it was 0. But with reference to the contract, now I had created a sales order accepting 15 products for order. So it is showing 15 products ordered. That's the first output. Now, if I create a new sales order VA01 with reference to the same contract, place the cursor here, copy. How much it should copy? 85. That is the output. So you should get everything respondable like this. Contract creation, contract release through order, contract release through order. You get the reference of release quantity in the contract updated, and next order you are creating, it is showing the leftover stock. I'll say another 10 products. Save it. If I go back to the contract, VA42, enter, enter, scroll aside, released 25. So like this, you should get everything respondable, then only what you made is justified. Now I'm going to create an order with reference to the same contract again. Enter, copy. 75 left out. I'll accept an order for all 75 now. Save it. Right? So first order 15, second order 10, now third order completes 75. Done. Now total 100 quantity is released. Now my question is, contract you signed for 100 quantity which is valid for 1 year, but in between only you claim total 100 now, but still time is there. Can I create a new order with reference to the contract? आप जो भी क्वांटिटी साइन किए 100 क्वांटिटी वो 1 साल तक वैलिड है, लेकिन अभी 1 साल नहीं हुआ है बट क्वांटिटी खत्म हो गया, फिर भी आप ऑर्डर डाल सकते हैं आपने बना सो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट के रेफरेंस से. यस और नो? Let's see. VA01 with reference, contract, contract number. If I click on copy, what it says, the reference has already been completely copied. That means you have utilized the 100 quantity. This may be one situation. Or rejected, contract got cancelled. So it is not copying because no quantity, because it is already, it is saying you might have taken already completely, or rejected. That means time line reached or rejected, that is cancelled. So you should know every side effect, what happened if the quantity completes, what happened if the timeline completes, everything should be known to you. That's what I have been shown. So that's the concept of contract creation and contract release, that is quantity contract. Now next we have value general contract and value material contract and master contract. Tomorrow we'll be seeing the value general contract. If time permits, I may work on value material contract also, because this got a lot of things to explore. It's a split layout executable document. So how the split layout works, you'll understand. What is the concept, I'll make you understand. So do work on it. Now it is all outputs and executions. Sometimes you may face some issues with the server. No matter 1 day delay, I'll get them fixed up and I'll show you all correctly the outputs. Keep working, and if you're facing any errors, just bring it to my notice so that I can guide you. It is your committed, or even though you made everything correctly, if something is not responding in the server, I can check and I can guide you. All right. So thanks for your kind understanding, and see you all in tomorrow's session. Tomorrow we're going to work on value general contract. What is the domestic purpose, how we create and how we release, how it reacts, everything you'll understand detailedly. What is the concept of split layout concept? It is specific to value general contract only. What is the purpose of split layout? Everything you'll understand briefly. All right. So thank you all and see you in tomorrow's session.